Okay, boys and girls, we're going to read a really good book called Kick, Pass, and Score. This book is about two teams that love to play soccer at school, the Lions and the Monkeys, and one of them doesn't win very much because they haven't learned yet how to cooperate, to work together as a team. So let's go ahead and read. The Lions and Monkeys play soccer after school. The Monkeys never win. Me, pass to me, yells Marty Monkey. Molly Monkey runs by him and trips on the ball. The Lions win. Now let's pause for a second and look at the monkeys back here. Do they look happy? No, they really don't, do they? The school bell rings. It's time to play soccer. Me, pass to me, yells Molly Monkey. Marty Monkey runs by her and falls down. Now, let's pause for another second. Are these monkeys trying really hard? Yes, I think they're trying really hard to win at soccer, but what are they forgetting to do? I think they're forgetting to work together. They're forgetting to cooperate. The Lions win again. Molly and Marty are mad. You don't pass the ball, says Molly. You don't pass the ball, says Marty. Now let's pause for a second. What would be the solution to this problem? What should they do? Yes, I think they should work together. Let's help each other, says Molly. Let's pass to each other, says Marty. Now let's stop and make a prediction. Let's discuss what we think is going to happen at the end of the story. Do you think they're going to keep losing now that they're going to work together? Or do you think that they're going to win? Yes, I think they're going to win. Marty and Molly kick, pass, and score. Monkeys win! It worked! The monkeys cooperated and they won the game. Good job, monkeys!